Hey, thanks for joining us today as we stay at the Nomad. And we're staying in a standard room. The Nomad is a hotel within a hotel, which is a upscale portion of the hotel, the top 2 floors. Now the Nomad does have a separate check-in desk and area. Very nicely decorated, lots of seating. It's also very dark. Guests of the Nomad do have a separate pool located 1 floor above the Park MGM pools. It has a bar area, cabanas. It is a little more upscale than the regular pool. Staying at the Nomad, of course, you also have access to the Park MGM pools. The Nomad hallways are a little nicer. They're also darker. Today we're all the way at the end of the hall on the 30th floor, room 52. And the standard rooms are very small, but very well decorated. King size bed is very comfortable. Have a large couch, a nice view from the 30th floor. They have these decorations in the corner of the room, one of which partially blocks the air conditioner. They have a table and 2 chairs, nice for dining, room service, or playing cards. It was a very nice touch. They left us a free deck of Nomad playing cards. And a welcome card. Said, in honor of your first stay at the Nomad, we thought you might enjoy these custom playing cards. Please make yourself comfortable. Enjoy our little oasis on the strip. The seating area is very nice for in-room dining, or if you're just the kind of couple that likes to hang out and visit with each other. The end tables are very small with no drawers. This hutch here has some very nice glassware, ice bucket. And then you have your mini bar snacks and a mini bar. The other side of this hutch has a very small closet with a safe in it. The home style decor is very nice. The bathrooms decorated very well, also very tiny. Has a walk-in shower. It's not a big shower, but it is the biggest thing in this bathroom. If you're familiar with the Park MGM, they have excellent water pressure. Overall, it's a very nice room if you can deal with the fact that there are no drawers. To me, an upscale room means you don't have to live out of your suitcase. As I was getting ready for dinner, I noticed that this room does not have an ironing board or an iron. If you'd like a refrigerator to put your own stuff in, they will bring one up on request. We like the Park MGM a lot. For a comparable price point, I think we'd prefer staying in a Nightingale or a Nighthawk suite. If you haven't seen those, I'll leave a link to our review of those rooms right here. They have a lot more space. One of them even has a walk-in closet. As always, thanks for watching. Please hit those buttons.